Hey food fam, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some pumpkin spice puff puff. The full list of ingredients can be found in the description box. Now let's get into the video guys. Hope you enjoy it. For the flour, you want to make sure you're using plain flour or all-purpose flour because any other type has a rising agent which we don't need. In this case, we'll be using yeast as our rising agent. And I'm using here the mixed spice. It's got all the flavors that we need to get that pumpkin spice taste. Yeah, again, don't add too much because the flavors are quite strong. Oh, something I do want to mention as well is add your water gradually. I've made the mistake of just adding too much water and it just spoils everything. So you do want the mixture to be, firm, but also with a bit of movement, but not liquid like water. If it does turn out like that, honestly, you'd have to start again. So now we're going to cover it and leave it to rest in a warm place for about 45 minutes. So after about 45 minutes to an hour, your mixture should have risen. Guys, I'm so happy it turned out like this. If it doesn't rise, then you've done something wrong. You probably added too much or too little yeast. And just before we fry, you just want to mix it a little bit to get rid of the air pockets. And, oh gosh, this is my worst part, guys. I'm not great at this method of making the puff puff, but I tried just for this video and I think it went quite well. But if you're not good with this, do try using the ice cream scoop or a spoon. It's just better and it's cleaner. As you can see, this is quite messy. Once the dough balls have risen and it's turned nice and golden brown, you just want to make sure you turn it around and yeah, just leave to dry on a kitchen towel, just to soak up the excess oil. And here I've got a mixture of some sugar and some cinnamon, and I'm just going to roll the puff puff in that just to make it look pretty, to also add a bit more flavor. And there you have it, friends. Puff puff, mixed spice, pumpkin spice puff puff, whatever you want to call it. It should be nice and fluffy on the inside, and I just hope you enjoyed this video. So make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribing, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.